Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to fix the battery icon missing on the toolbar below like this. You don't see the battery icon here. Today I will let you know how to make it show up on the toolbar. So here we go. Please go to the start button and then you please write the computer management. Yeah, you will see the computer management app here. Click on that and then find the device manager and click on here, and then you will see the battery here. Please click on the arrow the side of the battery. Yeah, you will see the Microsoft ACPI complaint control method battery. Please right click and then you will see the enable device. Please click on enable device and then please look to the bottom. You will see the battery icon show up here. Yeah, thank you for watching. Bye.